Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Science here. Friends, in this video we will discuss tricks to remember 7 primitive unit cells. So as you know, in class 12th you must have studied solid state, and in that solid state we come to know about different crystal systems and also their axial distance, axial angles along with their examples. Okay, so here I will tell you a very simple and easy way to remember these crystal systems and how to remember their axial distance and axial angles. Okay, and along with this I will also give you some of the examples as concerned to the respective crystal system. But before starting this video, let us see a question, and with that question you may come to know about what kind of question may appear or may come from this table in various competitive exams, so it will be beneficial for you. So let's see what is the question. So the question here is, as you can see here, example of unit cell with crystallographic dimensions A not equal to B not equal to C, alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, and beta not equal to 90 degree. Okay, that means alpha equal to gamma but not equal to beta. Okay, and alpha gamma is equal to 90 degree but beta is not equal to 90 degree. Okay, so we have to tell what type of unit cell or is having these crystallographic dimensions. Okay, so before answering this question, we will discuss the tricks to remember different crystal systems along with their dimensions and how to remember these dimensions, that is axial distance, axial, this is the axial distance, this is the axial angle. Okay, so in this video we will learn how to remember these, and to know the answer of this question and to know the tricks to easily remember this table which is present in solid state of class 12th chemistry, watch the video till the end. So here is the video. You can see I have drawn a blank table here, so that along with me you can also draw this table and you will learn here only, no need to by heart, and especially this crystal system, their axial distance and axial angles. Okay, examples you have to learn from here, because the examples trick I have not mentioned here. Just I will tell you some tips to remember these examples. And before starting these filling this table, let me tell you the trick first. Okay, from the trick we will come to our crystal system. Okay, and one more thing which is important for this, that you must know the names of different crystal systems, because if you will not know the different names of crystal system, you can't remember this trick. Okay, so hope so this trick might help you to remember the names also if you forget the names of different crystal systems. Okay, so the trick is cute our mother. Okay, I think this is very simple. You have to remember cute our mother. Okay, and with this trick you can remember these 7 crystal systems name. Okay, that is firstly Cu cute. Okay, so from cute you can remember cubic. Okay, that is cubic crystal system. Next is Te. Okay, Cu for cubic, Te will be for tetragonal. Then R, that means OR you have to remember for orthorhombic. Next is M. Okay, Cu for cubic, Te for tetragonal, or OR for orthorhombic, mother. Okay, and in this mother, this M is for monoclinic. Next, O is for, monoclinic, MO. Then T is for triclinic. Then HE for hexagonal. Then R for rhombohedral. Okay, and this rhombohedral is also known as trigonal. Okay, so it might come in some questions as a trigonal, so you have to keep in mind that rhombohedral is also known as trigonal. Okay, so this is very simple, as you can see. Next we will learn their axial distance. So for axial distance, you can see here I have made a column of number of equals. Okay, by this I mean that equal sign, this equal sign. Okay, you have to learn what is number of equal sign. Okay, so as you can see here, it is 7 crystal system. So if you start from the middle one, this, so number of equal here in the center will be 0, above the center 0, below the center 0. Okay, and next above the center, if you will go above this 0, then it will be 1, then 2. Okay, and here also 1 and 2. Okay, this is very simple. Or you can also remember like 2 1 0 0 0 1 2. Okay, this will be the trick to remember number of equals. Okay, if you will remember number of equals, so by remembering this number of equals, what you can write here is that axial distance, number of equals for cubic will be 2. That means 2 equals must be present. Okay, that means A equal to B equal to C. Okay, 2 equals are involved. Next, 1 equal is present. Okay, and 1 equal will always be present from left hand side. Okay, you will always count it from left hand side. That means between A and B. Okay, so this 1 equal will be between A and B, and here not equal. Okay, here 0 equals, that means all are not equal. Here 0 equals, that means all are not equal. Here also 0 equal, that means all are not equal. Then 1 equal, and I have told you from left side, that means A is equal to B and not equal to C. Here 2 equals, that means A equal to B equal to C. One more thing which I forgot to tell you, very important, before learning this axial distance, you have to remember that this cubic crystal system is most symmetric crystal system. Okay, this is most symmetric crystal system. Okay, and the triclinic is most asymmetric crystal system. Okay, you might be knowing what is symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric means all the sides, all the angles are equal, and asymmetric means all the sides and all the angles are not equal. Okay, that means this is most asymmetric. That means all the angles and all the sides are unequal, while if it is only asymmetric, that means some of the sides are equal and some of the sides are not equal. Okay, but here you have to remember that cubic is most symmetric and triclinic is most asymmetric. Okay, so by this you can firstly write most symmetric, that means A equal to B equal to C. Okay, and for axial angle also you can write that alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Okay, since it is most symmetric, that means everything will be symmetric, that is everything will be equal. Okay, and here these will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, and this most asymmetric triclinic, that means all the distance are unequal, also all the angles will be unequal. That means alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma, and it will also be not equal to 90 degree. Okay, so I think this is very simple. And next you have to remember that these all from cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, okay, these three are having interfacial angle. These axial angles are also known as interfacial angle. Okay, so that also you have to keep in mind. This is also known as interfacial angle, because in some question it might be asked as interfacial angle, so don't get confused. Okay, so this tetragonal and orthorhombic will also be having alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. This is also alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Okay, then for monoclinic you have to remember that alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, and beta is not equal to alpha and gamma, that is it is not equal to 90 degree. Okay, I think it is also clear. Next, triclinic we have seen most asymmetric, that means all the sides and angles will be unequal, and also it will not be equal to 90 degree. Then hexagonal is having, here you can see alpha equal to gamma, so here it will be alpha equal to beta, it will be 90 degree, and gamma will not be equal to 90 degree. Okay, here gamma will be equal to 120 degree. Okay, this is also simple. Just most asymmetric one, above that alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, and beta is not equal to alpha and gamma, and below that alpha equal to beta equal to 90 degree, and gamma is not equal to alpha and beta. Okay, in last rhombohedral we have seen it is similar to cubic. Two equals are present, that means all the axial distance are same. Okay, so here you have to remember that if all the axial angles axial length or axial distance are same, then interfacial angle must be different, because if it is not different, then both will be counted as same. Okay, why two names will be given? Okay, so two names are given, cubic and rhombohedral, because here even though the axial distance are same, but this axial angle will not be same. Okay, that means here if all the angles are equal to 90 degree, then here all the angles will be equal, but they will not be equal to 90 degree. Okay, so this is also very simple, just to see first and last. Okay, what is the difference? All the sides same, or axial distance same, and all the axial angles are equal, but in here first one axial angles are equal to 90 degree, but here in rhombohedral they are not equal to 90 degree. Okay, so here I think this is very simple for you to remember this table till now. So now we will see the examples, and I hope so you will easily remember the examples. Just go it once thoroughly. Okay, so the cubic crystal system is having example of NaCl. This is very simple and most common one, so remember NaCl, zinc blend. Okay, and also copper you can remember. Okay, very simple examples. Then for tetragonal you can remember white tin. Okay, and calcium sulfate. Okay, it is having tetragonal crystal system. Then for orthorhombic, very simple, rhombic sulfur. From name only you can remember orthorhombic, that is rhombic sulfur. Okay, and also KNO3. Next, monoclinic. It is having monoclinic sulfur, you might have heard. So write monoclinic sulfur. Okay. Next will be triclinic. So you might have heard K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate. and also H3BO3. They are having triclinic crystal system. Then hexagonal graphite. This is also very simple, graphite, and also CDS. Okay. Then rhombohedral or trigonal cinnabar, that is HGS. It is called cinnabar. And also calcite. Okay, that is CaCO3. Okay, so these are the examples here. I think so this table is very simple for you, and the trick which I have told you, cute our mother, it is very simple trick. From this trick you have seen here that I've drawn this whole table here. Okay, so just know the names first, because for crystal system you have to know the names first, what are the different names of crystal system, then only you can come to different crystal systems from this trick. Okay, cute our mother, that is cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, hexagonal, rhombohedral or trigonal. Okay, in the end let's take our question once again. Hope so you can try it on your own, because after knowing the trick you will be able to do this question. So here you see the dimensions are given, a axial distance or unequal, and alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, and beta is not equal to 90 degree. Okay, so zero equals are given. Okay, number of equals, I have told number of equals equal to 0. Okay, so number of equals 0 is present in 3. Okay, we have seen cute our mother. Okay, that is cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic. Okay, that means 2 equals, 1 equal, then 0 equal is present in orthorhombic. Then monoclinic is also having 0 equals. Then triclinic is also having 0 equals. Okay, these three are having 0 equals. So the option will be among these three, that is orthorhombic, monoclinic or triclinic. Okay, so just see that in orthorhombic we have seen, all the first three are having all the axial angles equal. Okay, but in our dimension what is given in the question, all the axial angles are not equal. So next, monoclinic. In monoclinic you can see alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Okay, so this is the given dimension as per our question. And you know triclinic is most asymmetric, so all the angles are unequal. So by this also you can eliminate that orthorhombic is not present, and triclinic is having all the angles unequal, so it will also be not present. So monoclinic will be the option for 0 equals. Okay, so the example of monoclinic you can see in the options. So see, example of monoclinic will be monoclinic sulfur. Okay, this example is very simple because monoclinic name is present in sulfur. Okay, so this is the question. You can try it on your own, like the similar questions, or you can go through the previous year questions from any paper like NEET, JEE or CSIR NET, and you can try it on your own. This trick is very simple to remember this table very easily and know the dimensions, and from dimensions you can know the crystal system and their example. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope so you like this video. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.